Hey guys, how's it going? How to help seniors register to vote. So, share details about the voting process, including registration deadlines and requirements. Help them fill out the voter registration form, either online or on paper. Offer to navigate online systems if they're not comfortable. Direct them to local resources such as senior centers or community organizations that offer assistance with registration. If they need to register in person, provide transportation to the appropriate office or polling place. Set reminders for key registration dates and upcoming elections to ensure they don't miss the opportunity to vote. Talk about voting methods such as mail-in ballots to cater to their comfort and mobility levels. After registration, check in to confirm they received their voter registration card and understand their voting rights. By offering support and resources, you can make the registration process easier for seniors. So let me know in the comments of this video. Hope you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.